Hi there, my name's Jake. Welcome to Waterstone Fitness. Today, I've got a super special workout for you. This is my personal workout that I'm using to get a one-arm pull-up. So it might not be as clean as some of my other ones. I'm going to be struggling through this because I'm currently at about able to do one rep, one-arm pull-up if I'm really trying and I'm fresh. Now the thing is, I want to get better at it. So this is a workout that I'm using to do that. It's going to be a fast-paced workout, and I do recommend taking longer breaks at first, because this is going to be challenging. The way it works is that we are going to do a warm-up at the beginning, and then we're going to get into the work sets. And the work sets follow this progression. We're going to do a hard set, and then we're going to do an easy set, and then we're going to have a break. So, for example, we're going to do one-arm pull-ups, and then we're going to do one-arm pull-up eccentrics as the the burnout for that first set. Then after the break, we're going to come and do a harder version of that easier variation we just did. It's going to make a lot of sense once we get into it. You don't have to worry about that right now. All you have to do is just follow along. You're going to enjoy this a lot. I do recommend having a set of rings or a secure pull-up bar for this. Rings are better just for our archer pull-ups. When you're doing this, you can get your arm fully extended and you have a little bit more range of motion and can adjust it so the height's a little bit better. You're going to notice that I've got them set up right here at my head height, so I can put my feet on the ground if I need to. But if I don't want to do that, I can always bend my knees and hold myself up like that. So I got a full range of motion and always have full support. Now that being said, let's go ahead and get into the warm-up. All right, so we're going to start the warm-up with shoulder circles. Arms go out, and we're going to circle forward, 20 seconds forward, 20 seconds back. Key here is to keep the shoulders down, looking straight ahead. That's when you hear that beep, that's 10 seconds left, and then you're going to hear a 3, 2, 1 beep. And that means it's time to switch to do something else. So now we're going to go backwards. That's right there is something to keep me on pace. One of the best workout tips I've got is time yourself. Pace yourself with that, because that right there, it gets you the second by second detail that you need so you can get rid of that inconsistency from day to day. This is, again, the workout that I use. I put this workout on at the gym, and therefore, if it changes in the future, see a future version, don't worry. I'm making it better and better. The next one is going to be my personal favorite warm-up. It's going to be a downward dog, or sun salutation. So we're going to move into downward dog. Arms go up, clasp the hands, push the chest forward, arch the back, push the stomach forward, wide hands, and then fold to the ground. Come up to flat back, and then reach the hands down to the ground, step back into a push-up position, down to the bottom, chaturanga, sweep the chest forward to upward dog. And we're going to hold it here. Once you get that 10-second beep, we're going to move into downward dog. So this is the intense version. I recommend the intense version because if you're doing this workout, I expect you to be pretty strong at this point. That right there means we're moving back into downward dog. The intense version means that we are up on our toes. And here, the heels push all the way down to the ground. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just warm up our shoulders. So go ahead and get set up below your rings. I'm going to say rings here. We're just going to do hanging shrugs. This is going to warm up our lats. So you want your butt to be off the ground in a dead hang, and we're going to just shrug the shoulders up and down for 30 seconds. Up and down. You want to keep your arms straight while you're doing this. There's no number of reps that you're really going for. You're just keeping relaxed. 10 seconds left here. Keep the arms straight. This is a pull from the lats. It's really important for your one-arm pull-up. And rest. Okay. Got a hair in my mouth. So, we've got a few seconds to get the workout set up. So, if you need to get your equipment set up, make sure that you got your pull-up bar. And also, I recommend having some way that you can assist yourself with your foot for the later exercises. So, if that's a chair that you need to bring over, go grab that. That chair should be sturdy so you can stand on it and assist yourself up. If you don't have a chair, then, a bench can work. Or if you can somehow lower it down or grab a towel to hang from your pull-up bar, all of that is a great way to work. You just need to be able to put your foot on the ground. I'm putting my hair up, and we're going to get into the workout here in 1 second. So right now, we are just going to start off with one-arm chin-up attempts. The best pull-ups that you can get. I'm going left first. We're doing this for 15 seconds, 2, 3. Even though I'm not making it all the way up, I'm just pulling up as much as I can. Looks pathetic after a while, I know. And now, other arm. 2, 1, and go for the other arm. 10 seconds left. Don't stop fighting for it. It's better to do a dead hang just with trying to bend your arm as much as possible than to rest. Now we're going to do one arm lowers. Back to the left. So this is what I said about the easier variation. 3, 2, 1. Jump up, lower down. Stand back up. Up, lower down. 10 seconds left. Lower down. 5, 4. And now swap sides. You ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Try to go as slow as possible. 10 seconds left. It's okay if you're dropping. Just fight. There we go. So now we have a 1-minute rest. Try to shake the arms out, massage yourself, get some blood circulating. Notice that the whole point of this is not to give up. I'm not doing full range of motion here. I'm not going as slow as possible. If anything, that might be a little bit hard for me. But I'm putting myself at that max effort so I know what's required, and that right there is a way to measure my progress over time. And eventually, once that's easy, then I know that I can do pull-ups all the day long. So I never am wondering, oh, am I really strong enough? I figure that out every single workout, and that's like a little diagnosis. But I never give up early. Notice that. I'm always hanging. My feet can't touch the ground. I'm hanging by one arm for those 15 seconds. By the way, I forgot to mention, for most things, it is 15 seconds on one arm, 5 seconds to switch, 15 seconds on the other arm. And then we go over to the other side, and again, it's 10-10. So now we're going to do a harder variation of those one-arm lowers. We're going to do one-arm lower, and then we're going to try to pull up at the bottom, okay? So that means that you can't just drop your feet to the ground. You have to actually go all the way down and try to pull back up. 2, 1, down, pull back up, and then assist. Down, pull back up, like that. Down, 2, 1, switch sides. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, down, pull back up as much as possible. There you go. Down, pull back up. Nice. Down, pull back up. Now we're going to go to archer pull-up. So this one, we're gonna pull like that. Make sense? Going to the left first. 15 seconds. 10 left. Swap sides. 2. I want to rest, but I can't. I'd rather hang out here with the bent arm trying to pull up as much as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Breathe in and out. Relax, pulse the hands. Shake it out. This whole idea is about you can't give up early. Even if you can't complete the rep, you still have to hang for the full 15 seconds. Because at least then, you're training the same muscles and you're putting them under the right amount of volume to grow. We aren't doing long sets. We are doing enough so you can put your muscles under maximum stress and still have them grow. One thing I like to do during my rests is visualize the pull-up. Visualize how I want it to go. So, grab the bar up overhead, pull in, feel my core contract, hand goes down to the opposite shoulder, and back up. Pull down, hand touches the opposite shoulder, back up. Let's do that. Visualize it. Close your eyes. I really recommend closing your eyes for these. Pull that elbow down, back up. That's how you want it to feel. Got a hair in my mouth that's really annoying. You guys don't have to worry about that. Okay. You ready to go? Now we're going to do slow archer pull-ups. So it's going to be up, down, 3, 2, 1, up, like that. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Now, this is what we're going to do. You have some time to get your the band set up or your chair set up. I recommend having some way to assist yourself here. If you don't have the towel or the chair, then you can always use a resistance band. This is time to get set up, because what we're going to do now is we're going to do a foot assisted, okay? We're going to do a pull-up assisted one. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, 15 seconds. Up and down. Up and down. Nice, you're doing great. Try to take as much weight as you can on your arm. 1. Let's go over. Get ready to swap sides. Shake that arm out. We're gonna go in 5 seconds. Give me a little bit more time so you can move the chair and get set up. 2, 1. Down and up. 15 seconds. Touch the hand to the shoulder each time. Try to put as much weight as you can on the way down. There we go. So, for the next ones, we're going to need a band to assist it. You don't need a band. You can always just use a chair, but I'm going to be using a band, which I've got. There we go. Got right here. So this allows us to do offset pull-ups. You can also use a towel for this. Band is slightly better because what you can do is you get a fixed amount of resistance, where there's a towel which basically provides an infinite amount of resistance. And that's what it's going to be all about. The key, I want you to remember this, is that you're going to have a solid hold on this, and that it's easier the higher up that you grip, harder low down in the jar. So this is another version of assist, but rather than assisting with your feet, we're going to be assisting with your hand. We have 15 seconds left before we start getting into this. Just breathe, calm yourself down. Remember, we want tension. That's what this whole workout is about. We want tension for the full 15 seconds. There's no rest. You want to keep muscles under tension the entire time. All right. So we're going to go up. We're going to do chin pulses right up here to work the top range of motion with the assist. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stay up as high as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. There we go. Swap the sides. Move the band over. The towel over. Whatever you need to do. And pulses. Definitely have a strong side and a weak side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay. Next, we're going to go for full range of motion, assisted. You can do these with the band, without. You can also use your feet. The ideal would be to jump up and lower down. We're going to go 3, 2, 1, up, down. Like that. Up, 2, 1. Like that. Swap sides. Got started a little bit late there. We'll be fine. Let's do the other side. 2, 1. Up, 3, 2, 1. Up, down, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next, we're just going to do a one-arm hanging burnout for 1 minute, switching every 15 seconds. Down below, we're going to go right now. Butts off the ground, we're just hanging. We're just chilling. 5 seconds are gone. Look at that. Nothing. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now coming down, switch to the opposite hand. And hang. Strengthening the grip. 8 seconds left. Before we switch back. On. Switch back. And hang. This is the burnout. This is when it gets hard. Come on. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. And hang. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that right there is the end of the workout. That's a tough workout. Go ahead, put your fingers together, pulse it a few times, stretch out your fingers, calm the breath. Breathe in and out. Nice job. Notice that was a hard workout for me. I was not doing perfect form. I was not getting full range of motion. The whole point, though, is to stay with that 15 seconds of tension per side. We're reaching 30 seconds of total before we take a 1 minute rest. Big fan of that workout. Gets me sweating, pushes me hard, gives me a way to monitor my progress. If you like this workout, if you like seeing me push myself hard and you want to get pushed hard too, subscribe. You get daily follow-along workouts delivered to you. And if you want those delivered to your inbox, specifically with a write-up of all of them, you can sign up at waterstonefitness.com. Now we're going to do one more stretch. You can, if you have your rings, you can hang from them, pushing your armpits down to the ground, stretch out your lats. If not, you can use a wall to do this exact same motion. Just relax and hang. Bring the breath down. You can sign up for those emails at waterstonefitness.com. I don't know if I said that already. Gotta do the plug. Need subscribers to make this thing happen. Okay, go ahead. Relax. Just go ahead. Roll the head. Bend down. And the arms shake out. Get some blood moving to them. They're going to feel really heavy. Feels good. You can use this as a little supplement to any of your back workouts or total body workouts. Great way to work on that. And work towards that one-arm pull-up. If you have any critiques or changes, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let's roll up slowly, keeping the head tucked in, stacking the vertebrae on top of each other. Come up. Go ahead and give me a little bit of a bow. That was nice. That was very nice. I'm Jake. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, thanks for getting better.